In this video, I will guide you how to reconcile a credit card in QuickBooks Online. Open the QuickBooks Online website and sign into your account. Click on Settings in the top right corner. Under the Tools section, select Reconcile. If it's your first time, then click on Get Started. From the list of the accounts, choose the credit card or account you want to reconcile. Input the beginning balance. Fill in the ending balance and ending date from your credit card statement. If applicable, enter the service charge or interest earned. Click Start Reconciling. Compare the statement ending balance with cleared balance. If there is a difference, investigate the transaction. You can click Save for later to pause and resume when ready. That's it, you have successfully reconciled a credit card in QuickBooks Online. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.